Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I started looking at this as the video was loading. I just did this. Part of the white is behind the letters. So it kind of, and then the shirt would show through, the color of the shirt would show through. So it's kind of got like a standoff. This is pretty easy. Let's take this and left click, right click. I'm going to click it in black so you can see it. We're going to contour to the outside 0.02. And I'm going to make it black so you can, well, maybe you can't see that. It's in red. Tell you what, yeah, that's about right. Now let's take the Smart Fill tool, set on white, and let's fill in that item. And I hope I didn't mess up by not breaking the contour apart. Whoop. That's why you want to zoom in. Smart Fill tool again. And what's going to happen, one more letter. Don't. All right, now you've got that. Now we're going to grab the inside of the letter, and we're going to, tell you what, let me see what my nudge distance is. 1 inch, that'll be good. Let's move it up. Let's break the contour apart. And a lot of times it doesn't show up because you have to select the whole item. Go up to Object, break contour apart. Take the black and just nudge it up and the red stays, then you can delete it. And then take this and make it black. Take away the outline and move it back. Now that's what we had in the earlier video. But what we need to do is move that back up because these are individual objects. So go and select all that white and group it together. Then set this back down. Now we need to go to our nudge offset and make it a little bit less, and then grab the white and nudge. Yeah, it was working. Just nudge it ever so slightly out of the way. Now we need to take and go to Object and put in Backup Page under Order. But it looks like it disappeared because the shirt's on another layer, so go up to Object, Order, Backup Page. And now you have that. Now it's a different font, so it looks a little bit different. But that's how that is probably done. And you could always, if, let me change the spacing of that. Your nudge factor is still set on the same, and just kind of move that back and move it down, or, you know, like that. And that way the shirt shows through kind of more like this. Now this has actually got a blue tint on it, but I think that's just, it might even be blue text, and that's easily done by clicking on there, and you can see it's a curve of one layer. You could make it a blue, and let's make it a better blue. Anyway, that's how that's done, I think. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.